How do you describe that? It's just wonderful. Beans, the musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you get sent to the couch to sleep by yourself. But these beans are worth it. Forget the bland fiber pills you know, because these are a punch to your taste buds and a canvas begging for tortilla, cheese, and chili. Buckle up, because these aren't your typical beans. This is a super easy recipe and the prep should take us just under 10 minutes, so let's go. Start sorting your beans, because pinto beans are harvested in mass. They're notorious for hiding little rocks or chunks of soil. You're looking for those. You're also looking for any beans that are smaller and harder than the rest, as they'll be crunchy when the other ones are soft and yummy. Also any that are split or losing skin. Take those out too. Get sorting, people. When you rinse your beans, check to see if any float. If they do, they're hollow and need to be removed. Ooh, floaty. Now, let's cut a large yellow or white onion, the beans won't discriminate, and peel a head of garlic. The garlic is going in the pressure cooker for an hour. Don't waste time slicing it. It'll turn to powder in that much heat. Just get the skin off and send them into their jacuzzi. A note on the bacon. For this recipe, applewood smoked bacon is my absolute favorite because of the way the beans soak up the bacon's fat and flavor. Now, combine your ingredients. These fiber pods are thirsty. I use a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 times the amount of water as the beans. Let's put an hour on the clock, and you're done.
Ich grolle nicht, und wenn das Herz auch bricht, ewig verlorenes Lieb, ewig verlorenes Lieb, ich grolle nicht, ich grolle.
Check that out. Boom. Red chili. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit more cheese. Just like a tiny bit of the salt. Oh, it's so good. That's what beans should taste like. Flavorful. A little bit of smokiness from that bacon. That fatty, easy cheese flavor on top of that. They're just soft, tender. An hour in the Instapot. That's it. An hour in the Instapot. You're done. You're good. That red chili. How do you describe that? It's just wonderful and spicy and oh, it's so good. Like just a little bit more red chili. Oh, boy. Whoo, that's good. Make this at home. Do it. It's delicious. Don't eat crappy food. Live intentionally. Eat intentionally. I'll see you guys next time.